What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel, where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if those things interest you, smash that like button, punch that subscribe button. I make videos daily and you do not want to miss it. If this is your first time on the channel, I want to give you a giant salute. These videos are very conversational, very organic. I have some talking points and then I just wing it and just give you all the information that I can. All stuff and no fluff. So make sure you watch the entire video because I'll be dropping gems all over the video and you do not want to miss it. If you are part of the Radical Marketer tribe and you subscribe to the channel, thank you so much for growing this channel. It's growing quicker than I can keep up with, and I'm trying to give you 2 to 3 videos a day to help you in your credit journey and your social media journey and all that. So it's because of you guys that things like this is happening. So I just want to give you a giant salute. Smash the like button right now while you're thinking about it. It takes 2 seconds. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so, and let's just jump right into the video, okay? Now, this is what you need to know about, everything you need to know and what you need to know about Navy Federal business accounts. So all of the data points with business accounts with Navy Federal, okay? Now, for those of you guys that are not a member of Navy Federal Credit Union, I would recommend that you become one if you can become one. There is eligibility requirements, so you want to make sure that you fall within that. You don't want anything crazy going on, them auditing you and all types of nut stuff, so or freezing your account. So make sure that you play the right way with it. Navy Federal is cracking down on a lot of stuff right now, so you do not want to play the wrong way with them right now, okay? But Navy Federal business accounts, okay? First of all, to even have one, you need to make sure that you have an EIN number. You have to have an LLC or any type of corporation that you want, but you need to make sure that you have an EIN number, and then you also want to make sure that you're already a member of Navy Federal Credit Union. You cannot apply for the business account first. You have to have a checking and savings account, or a checking or a savings, or whatever the case is. You have to establish that relationship first, and then you can apply for a business checking account. You have to have a business checking account to apply for business credit products with them, okay? So you have to have the personal side already taken care of and doing it with them on that, and then you have to have a legit, credible business. It doesn't have to be making a ton of money, okay? You just have to make sure that it's up to date with the Secretary of State, that you have an EIN number, you know, and you say, hey, I want to do my small business checking with you guys, and I want to do all my business affairs with you guys. I want to do all this with you. So that's what you're going to need to do that, okay? You're going to, all of their credit products, you're going to have to personally guarantee. So there's not going to be anything of corporate credit, things like that. That's not how it works. Now, the cool thing about this is all of their credit products do not report to the personal credit bureaus. I have playlists all over my channel that you want to make sure that you check out. How to build business credit, best credit unions, credit cards, you name it. You can learn all the financial literacy for building credit, everything that you need to know about credit. I'm, like I said, 2 to 3 videos a day, every single day. There's hundreds of videos coming per month, so you want to make sure that you guys are watching all the videos and checking out the playlist after this video, because there's a lot of gems that I'm dropping. And not just on the financial side, I'll be doing a lot of social media as well. But no personal guarantee, and it doesn't report to the business bureau. So this will not build business credit, and this will not report to your personal credit. It's not the end of the world, because you can leverage this money, you can build up your credit lines, and then you can move the money around how you need to move it around. I just dropped one of my most popular videos, one of the best videos that I ever did, about how to turn credit into cash, the balance transfer strategy with business credit cards. You want to make sure that you watch that entire video, because once you have this established with Navy Federal, you can use that as part of your strategy, okay? Now, you're going to need, they're going to pull Experian. They're going to do a hard pull for the credit products, and it's going to be with Experian for that, from what I can gather. If it's changed, please update the data points in the comment section below. Also, if you have a business checking account with Navy Federal, please put any information that the community needs to know about it. Your experience, how easy it was to get it. Did you get denied? Did you get approved? Why did you get denied? Why did you get approved? All of that. Please drop that in the comment section so you can help other people as well. And so, yeah, so they have a credit card. They're going to use stated income given, this is the key, they will use stated income given that everything is requested under $25,000. They have a credit card, business credit card, $25,000. Okay, will you get approved for that? I don't know, right? It depends. I would recommend you do a personal account, checking, savings, have some money in there, have a credit card with them, have a couple statements under your belt, then open the business side, and then go for the stated income on the business card. And I would even look at their business line of credit. I would ask them on the phone. Now, how do you get one of these? You're going to have to call in and talk to somebody and the business department on the phone. This is not going to be something that you apply for in your local branch or online, from what I can gather. Okay, now I could be incorrect on that, but from what I gather, it's an on the phone type of thing with the business department. And this is the only problem that I have with Navy Federal Credit Union. Sometimes they leave you completely in the dark. Okay, I'll be completely honest. They're a great credit union. They're the largest in the world, but they're not very great with communication. That's the only negative I got about them. Okay, my experience when I got my credit union with Navy Federal, or when I got my account with Navy Federal, I called in. They never had me verify information with my dad, right? So I got a letter in the mail for that later on. It took me about 2 weeks to even get the account set up because I did it wrong, right? So from the data points that I gathered is once you have all these things under your belt with the personal side with Navy Federal and you apply for the business, it could take a week to 2 weeks for your business account to be opened. And then once your business account is open, then you can apply for the business line of credit or the business credit card. Okay, so it's got to have a personal account, right? Got to have a legit business. Number two, I would be building up data points on the personal side. Once you have that, I would apply for the business checking account. It's going to take about a week to 2 weeks to be approved if it's approved. Once that's approved, then you go for the credit card. Say you want $24,000 and $25,000 stated income. Okay, so it's not going to need tax returns and all this stuff that a lot of people need. And then you could even ask about a business line of credit. If you want to play it safe, do $10,000 on the business line of credit, do $15,000 on the credit card. Okay, we've already talked about why business lines of credit are the best thing in the world. We've already talked about why personal line of credit are amazing, and they're going away quickly by a lot of people during these economic times. So if it were me, I would do $10,000 on the business line of credit, and then I would do on the credit card. And they're going to pull from Experian, and anytime you do a credit limit increase, there's always going to be a hard pull as of right now. Okay, it could loosen up later. I don't know. But the nice thing about the business line of credit is, like I said, you can liquidate that a lot easier. You don't got to do all these different tactics that I talked about in different videos. And it doesn't report to your personal credit, and it doesn't build your business credit because they don't report. They don't report to anybody. The only time they're going to report is when you don't make your payments. Okay, so that's what you need to know about Navy Federal Business. That's the data points that I have for you. If you guys have a question, drop it in the comment section. You have experience, opinion, anything, drop it in the comment section. If you want me to make you a specific video, drop it in the comment section. Join our private Facebook group. Link is in the description. Playlists are all over the place. Like, comment, subscribe. Get this channel blowing up to the world. YouTube pays me. You're not paying me. I'm trying to get you all the information that I can get for free. Okay? So make sure that you help me out with that and take care of that housekeeping. You guys have an amazing day. Make sure you guys take care and be safe out there. It's a crazy world, and I love you guys. Salute.